because I've been dropshipping and selling online now for 3.5 years, I've learned so many different skills from product development, like finding new products, developing new products, creating new products. I've learned about operations, actually shipping out products, how to manage the actual supply chain. I've learned about photo and video editing. I've learned about creative strategy, like actually understanding what makes a good photo and video creative. I've learned about media buying, actually managing the ad account, like Facebook and Instagram ad account. I've learned about Snapchat, obviously, Pinterest, Google, absolutely everything. I've also learned how to manage employees. So I've had literally 35 plus employees to this point, whether those are virtual assistants or in-person employees or actual kind of higher level managers as well. I've obviously also learned about customer service and how to manage customers to get the best outcome from them, how to maneuver an annoyed customer to make sure that they're not that annoyed anymore as well. The most important thing for this is that each and every single thing that I just listed is a job in itself. I know right now, because I've got so much previous experience, because I manage so many different things and I understand so many different things and have such knowledge about so many different topics, I can go into each and every single thing that I just mentioned and earn 80 to 100K a year easily. The reason why I mention all these different skills is, yes, these transfer over to a different business. So I went from dropshipping to creating longer term brands to now I'm really focusing on the Etsy side of things, as well as my longer term brands as well. But the most important thing is all these different skills. Let's say you do dropshipping for a year. Let's say you do it for a year and a half and you don't make much money. I mean, literally my first year, 750 in revenue, and I didn't make much money at all. If I had quit at that point, obviously not, so I wouldn't have quit, but if I had quit at that point, I had the skills already. I had the experience in different industries. So I could very easily transfer those skills over to a real 9-to-5 job and get paid very well because I had real world experience. Even now, because I have 3.5 years experience, I could very easily go into any of those industries, whether it's photo and video editing, whether it's operations, whether it's product development, whether it's managing the whole store. I could go into any single job role and easily earn over $100,000 per year. One thing that I was always very good at over the years was keeping myself accountable. So when you have a 9-to-5 or when you're at school, you always have someone else breathing over your neck. So it's very easy to stay accountable because they're doing it for you. When you have just complete and utter control of your time and you're already earning money, you're earning good money, it's sometimes a challenge to actually keep yourself accountable and keep yourself pushing. So I did a couple different things to keep myself accountable. The biggest thing that I did is I had a massive whiteboard. Actually, in my place where the warehouse was, when I moved to the warehouse, I literally had like 6 whiteboards all around my room. Basically, what I did was the night before a day of work, I would write down a to-do list, and I would write down how long each and every single little task would take me. Let's say it was optimizing ad account. I would write optimizing ad account for blah, 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 30 minutes. And I would write that each and every single little task. Maybe I wanted to do 5 hours work. Maybe I wanted to do 16 hours work. I would write exactly each and every single little task, exactly how long it would take me. This would drastically improve my productivity because I'm keeping myself accountable. Craig yesterday has told me what to do, and I'm just going to do that and not think about it. Do each and every single little task and not think about it. I urge every single person watching this right now to buy a whiteboard and to do that. Even if you're only working like an hour a day on your business or even 30 minutes, just do it. It will make you more productive. Another thing I did was I kept track of monthly and quarterly and yearly goals. So every month I would review what I'd done that month, and I would set goals for the next month. When you're running a business, it's quite easy to just purely look at the short term. You have lots of problems to deal with. You're just looking short term. But what you need to be doing is you need to be reviewing your progress every quarter, so every 3 months, and obviously every year as well. So the actual main overall goal is going in the correct direction. Because if every month you're not aiming for your quarterly goal, you're just gonna tread water and you're not really gonna push and actually get very far. So what is my secret to scaling? My secret to scaling, everyone already knows this, is literally outsourcing. Outsource absolutely everything as much as humanly possible. Get rid of absolutely every single little task, because then you, as the CEO, as the business owner, can focus on the things that the highest return on investment, highest ROI tasks. You should not be doing any rubbish. You should not be doing customer service. You should not be dealing with like all the little kind of bullshit problems that comes with customer service and things like that. And when your business becomes more profitable, you're able to actually hire for positions and hire people that are better than you at doing something. As a CEO, you should know a little bit, or a decent amount, about a lot of different things. So each different role, you should be 70, 80% competent in it, but you should be looking to hire someone that is is 90, 100% competent in it. They're gonna do it better than you, and that's perfectly okay. Like, you're a CEO, your job is to hire that person. That is why you get paid. Your job is to manage everything and hire people that are better than you in specific industries.